We're taking a look from our Fair Park camera towards downtown Dallas. Temperature right now of 93. Not much of a heat index right now. We have this burst of dry air in the area, and that's allowing the temperature to actually feel like the actual temperature. So today we still have a WFA weather alert day through 7 p.m. and it is because of that dangerous heat that continues. This also comes along with high humidity at times, and high humidity can lead to heat index values up to 108. So what you need to do is make sure to limit your time outside, but if you can't, take breaks, hydrate properly, wear SPF, and don't forget to check the back seat. Our heat advisory does include all of East and most of central North Texas, a few counties west of the Metroplex, so a few more counties than yesterday. This heat advisory in place through 7 p.m. and we could see this get extended to tomorrow as well, and it's because temperatures will be very similar tomorrow to today. In addition to the heat, we're also watching our air quality. Our air quality alert is for high levels of ozone that are expected this afternoon. That happens whenever we have high pollution in place, a lot of sunshine, heat, and light winds. It tends to increase the ozone production at the surface, and that in turn lowers the air quality. Groups with respiratory issues should consider really limiting your time outside, just because, again, the air quality will be lower. Right now it's 94 degrees at DFW. Our wind is light and we have some slightly drier air in place, and that's what's allowing the feels like temperature to be very close to the actual temperature, if not a degree lower. So right now it's a little bit of a treat before those temperatures and the heat index do climb into the triple digits, which we are expecting. The temperature will make it to about 100 degrees around 2. The heat index right around 103, 105 around 4. The actual temperature around 101. That's 1 degree warmer or hotter than yesterday. So if we make it to 101, today will be the hottest day of the year. Yesterday, of course, the first time DFW reached 100 degrees this year, marking the 19th latest in a calendar year on record. So 100 degrees expected in Denton, 102 for McKinney and in Fort Worth, about 101 in Dallas and in Decatur. The heat index will be somewhere around 105 for a big portion of the Metroplex, towards the northeast as well. The more east you go, though, that's where you'll find the heat index values closer to about 108. Our temperatures tomorrow will be very similar to today, maybe even a degree higher. So 101 today, 102 possible tomorrow, 96 on Friday, 92 Saturday, 94 on Sunday. Up, we're talking about a temperature dip. Normal for this time of the year is 97. It will be about 5 degrees lower than that on Saturday. But even with that drop in temperatures, the humidity is still going to stick around, so it'll still feel like the triple digits during the afternoon. I do think that the cloud cover we're expecting on Saturday will make it feel a bit more comfortable for us, though. So here's what's happening. That high pressure that brought in all the heat alerts across areas of the Mississippi Valley, that's going to move over North Texas. It's the reason why temperatures are climbing into the triple digits today and tomorrow. However, that's going to move towards the west, and as that happens, we're going to see this weak front move in, and that weak front allows for rain chances and lower temperatures. So about 30% coverage of rain on Friday and Saturday. I do think that during the afternoon, it's the best opportunity to see the scattered rain. It's not guaranteed for everyone. And with any storm that develops on Friday and Saturday, a quick burst of strong winds will be possible. So that's something to be watching for, especially if you're planning on some lake time. Next week, looking toasty with highs in the upper 90s. Kara?
All right. Thank you, Marielle.